Today I will show you exactly how to find, download and install any app you need on your Windows laptop or PC. Whether you're after a fun game, a must-have productivity tool or your favourite streaming service, I've got you covered in less than 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First up, click the magnifying glass icon on your taskbar and type Microsoft Store. You'll see the Store app pop up. Just click it to open. Once you're in the store, you've got two main options. Browse by category, hit Apps for utilities and software, Gaming for games, or Entertainment for things like Disney Plus and Netflix. Search. If you know exactly what you want, just click the search bar at the top and type the app name. Let's grab an example. Say WhatsApp. Click the app tile, then hit Install. The store may prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you can create one in just a few clicks. Use your existing Microsoft account or tap Create One to set up a new one. No big deal. Once you're signed in, the download kicks off automatically. When the download finishes, you'll see an Open button. Click it and voila. Your new app is ready to use. And that's it. Very simple, right? If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized Windows tips. Got questions or suggestions for my next video? Drop them in the comments below. I try to read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.